I'm going to run down my 3 favorite shots I get with my action cam, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The first shot is the traditional helmet cam mount. I either mount it on the side of my helmet or down by the chin bar. For this mounting location, you're going to want to use a little bit wider angle on the camera settings. The second shot would be mounting the camera somewhere on the front of your motorcycle and facing back towards the rider. I typically will use a suction cup mount and either suction it to my front fairing or my windshield. And the third shot that I get with action cams is just handheld. I'll just use a small grip mount, and this is the best way I've found to get moving targets, like other riders that are riding by you. I would consider this more of an advanced technique as it does take your left hand off the handlebars.